As a new or an expectant mom, I think we can all agree we want to create homes for our children that are safe and healthy. Today, I'll show you why non-toxic baby care matters and how simple swaps can be to protect your baby from chemicals. Babies are especially vulnerable to chemicals because their bodies are still developing and their skin is so much thinner and more delicate than ours. That means it absorbs substances more easily, making them more sensitive to what we put on them and what we wash their clothes with. A lot of mainstream products actually contain harmful ingredients like synthetic fragrances, artificial dyes, chlorine, and parabens. These aren't just hard to pronounce names, they've actually been linked to things like skin irritation, hormone disruption, and even respiratory issues. Since babies are still building up their immune and hormonal systems, avoiding these harsh ingredients is one of the simplest ways we can help protect their health. Making the switch to non-toxic options is actually easier than you might think. Here are some of my personal favorite, super easy, non-toxic baby swaps. These are the little changes that make a big difference. Use Truly Free Home's non-toxic laundry wash to protect the baby clothes from chemical residues. For feedings with a bottle, choose glass over plastic. It's an easy swap to help reduce exposure to harmful chemicals, especially when you're heating up milk. Choose fragrance-free, gentle lotion for moisturizing. Use organic sheets for your baby's crib mattress. You could also swap your toys and teethers to be made of natural materials like wood to avoid endocrine disruptors. Truly Free understands the importance of a safe environment for you and your baby. Their non-toxic cleaning products are carefully crafted to ensure that they're gentle, effective, and free of harmful chemicals, giving you the peace of mind with every use. Now is the time to start making your non-toxic swaps and create a healthier home for you and your baby. Visit Truly Free Home and you'll see all of the products they have to offer. Subscribe for more tips on creating a natural, nurturing space for you and your family.